Hello everyone, thanks for watching the video. Today we're going to be trying out the Jehonn twist mop for the first time. I think you get I'm not sure if you get two mop heads. Yeah, you get two mop heads. That's pretty cool. I remember that now. Yeah, two mop heads come with it. There's our the pole or handle. So the instructions right here have all the parts laid out on number 2. And that is all the parts, so make sure that you've got everything there in number 1. So yeah, laid out like that. So I have them laid out here, and we have two mop heads. One of them is a extra mop head, and one of them has the pole already in it. So that's where we're starting from. This one here, the original one. I'm going to take this. I don't know what it's called. It's kind of like a flashlight look, and we're going to push it on here. And it's supposed to snap in the holes. There's 2 holes. Okay, snaps in very nice. And the pole that is in here needs to go through. Let me show you. It's already disconnected right now, but yeah, it's right here. So we're going to put it through the flashlight piece. Okay, yes, see, you've got it through the flashlight piece. Now we're going to take the smallest section of the handle. We're going to screw it in. Just going to keep doing that. Got the longest section here. It just screws in like that. And then finally the end piece. You got the, you can hang it up, got a little hole here. This is plastic. We've got a very comfortable grip here, kind of a poly rubber of some type. The pole or the handle is made out of metal. Good firm kind of composited plastic here, some type. This mop head's very soft, probably poly cotton, very, very soft. Then you've got your basic scrub brush here on the end. And it does not come off from what I can tell. So yeah, this will be getting like stains, stubborn stains, sticky stains that are hard to remove from just mopping alone. We're in the small bathroom here. I'm going to go ahead and use this bucket to try the mop out for the first time. Usually I would just use the bathtub, for my mop to clean it. But let's try it with the bucket. Well, I've got an update now on the Jehonn self-wringing mop. It's been 3 weeks now. I've used it 3 other times since the making of the video. This is the same head. Haven't even put the other one on yet. So that's holding up pretty well. There is a problem, I'll show you in just a second, but I wanted to say that the mop overall is really not a bad deal at all, I don't think. I think it's a good quality made mop. The whole idea of the self-wringing is a pretty good concept. So I will continue to use it. The only thing that I've had a problem with is, I guess the second week that I had it, the second time I used it, the scrub brush fell off, okay? And it's caught in here. I guess I could go ahead and remove it now. See how it clings? That's been in there for 2 weeks now. Alright, so it'll probably work better now that I have it out. So that's really worthless if you're going to use it more than, well, in my case, the second week it tore off. So other than that, mop's a pretty good deal for the price. Yeah, I'd rebuy it. And I still have a head left. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Till next time, have a nice day. Take care.